Hi, I'm Katie Whitlow with Active Wall. Today I want to show you some of our great products. One of the neat things about Active Wall is that every product that we build is tested before it leaves the facility. This is one of our test walls where today we have a pivot door. We have a horizontal folding window. What's neat about this window is that it has built-in mullions to give it that divided look. These are outswing panels. This is a neat property. It's going to a place in Virginia that's also receiving one of our horizontal folding door systems. This unit also has mullions to give it the divided lights. Again, each unit that we build is tested before it leaves the facility. This unit here is one of our centerfold units. You'll notice that the carriage is actually in the center of the panel as it opens up. Each of our products are custom manufactured in Martinsville, Virginia. We build to your rough opening. Please contact us today to learn how you can get your Active Wall.